Of this vehicle. It's a vehicle you'll want to take home. Call today and get in touch with the dealer directly and be the first person to open the vehicle's door today, and is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: aluminum wheels, brake assist, traction control, stability control, daytime running lights, remote engine start, engine immobilizer, fog lamps, four-wheel disc brakes, tires, front all season. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.